Ah, I see.
There goes the stream.
That's not even the stream I started. What is it talking about?
Roblox.
Up there's my Twitch. Why is it not even the right title? What? What do you mean? Why is it not the right title? I guess I will update the title because update. Because apparently that didn't work properly. Of course, YouTube is gonna get more stream latency because Restream for some reason picked the default option. That's great. So YouTube is gonna get is gonna get more delay apparently because Restream picked the default option even though I told it to not use the default option, which makes sense. I think. I don't think it makes sense. Why did it pick the default? Okay, it doesn't. Okay, so if you wanna have the no latency version, you gotta look watch me on Twitch. Best. So yeah, watch me on Twitch if you wanna have the lowest latency. Hey, you can watch my stream on Twitch for some random emote. If you watch the stream for 30 minutes, you get some random emote for some reason. Get rewards by watching Psychoso while they're live in Roblox. Apparently, I'm playing Roblox. I don't remember when I said that, but sure. Sure I'm playing Roblox. That makes sense. So I'm like pretty sure the stream has like restream watermark. No, it doesn't. What? I'm pretty sure it's supposed to have a watermark, but I'm sure that's fine. Anyway, I guess coding. Then okay, I'm in the Roblox, so if I do coding, that is not a category. That's great. Good enough. Roblox is good enough, I think, because I am coding in a Roblox game. I think that counts. On YouTube, I guess I can select gaming. What thumbnail do I have for the streams? I guess this. I'm sure I can somehow bypass the restream watermark. I'm trying to bypass the watermark, which is really funny, but every time I try it, for some reason, it kicks me out of the menu of trying to update it. It's crazy. Fuck! Oh my god. Good enough. Cool. I hacked ABYSSALL and updated it to include virus. Hashtag ABYSSALL. Hashtag MSPaint. Hashtag nullfile. Hashtag script. Hashtag Black King. Hashtag virus. Hashtag coding. Hashtag Lego update. There, that stream title makes more sense, I think. No, I do not play Fortnite. I don't know why you would think I play Fortnite. My stream even working? I think it is, probably. Where the fuck do I put the chat? Can I make this
You're right, there is a lot of
head
licenses.
smaller? What if I change the width? Did that work? Is it smaller? I think it is. You know what? I'm not even dragging the right thing. You know what I can do? I can do this. And then, hold on, wait for it. Image, add new image. No. Now just gotta find where I have that one very specific image I had. Or I just get Yupio, put him here, and there you go. That's my stream background. What do you think?
Honestly, I haven't been. Yeah.
Why is there a portrait mode in my restream? I'm sure that's fine. Why is there a guy that's trying to tell me to use some code in the item shop in Fortnite? I'm sure that's fine. I don't stream on Twitch. Why the fuck did I get? Is that an instant bot that I got? I don't normally stream on Twitch. Is that an instant bot I got? Hold on, I need to go to my Twitch. Oh, that is definitely an instant bot that I got. Hold on, let me look at the channel. Created 18 hours ago. Following since 4 minutes ago. Interesting. Can I just delete that? Okay. This shows up in my restream chat, because of course it does. Can I make it not show up by refreshing it? Yes, I can. Okay, I think now we're set up. I guess I gotta have this also open on another tab. I have so many tabs open. Oh my god, this is a mess. No, oh my god, okay. We're gonna go back to coding, I guess. I don't even remember what I did the last time. I think I still haven't finished the UI. I don't remember if it was the N one. No, the N one is the one that's complete. Okay, right this. I wanted to change how this works. So basically, instead of having this, I have tabs. I'm sure I know how to make tabs. Then I gotta... And if I move it just inside here, good enough. Close enough, I guess. There. I just gotta paste the size into this one and position it correctly. There you go. Okay, why do I have like 2 chats? What? Something went wrong, try reloading. Okay, what? Hold on, let me try something. Okay, I'm sure it's fine. Probably. So now that we have this tabs thing, instead of there being these existing modifiers, I'm gonna move modifiers somewhere here. Close enough. And I'm just gonna put a button inside it. That's also invisible and has no text. Same for this one. Now what I do with these, so first I'm gonna make this a tiny bit smaller. So that I'm first gonna delete this. Actually, I need to add rules content, which is just gonna be size 1. And just move that inside there. So instead of... Yep. You know what I gotta do? I can make up... So instead of this thing, and I can just make this say plus. And then I don't need a minus thing here, because I'm gonna make, instead of it being like this, is that there is a second scrolling frame. It is somewhere over here. Where instead of it saying plus, it says my minus, and for that I'm just gonna do this. And so I'm sure I can figure this out. Now, what is the laziest way I could possibly make this? I could have 2 copies of each rule or just transfer it between the UIs? What is the funnier way though to make it? What is the funnier way to make it? So hold on, I think I have something here. Okay, here. Guys, you can play tic-tac-toe in the chat. I think. You type SL game 1 to 9 to play. I'm sure someone is gonna play tic-tac-toe. I also have this boss bar. I don't know what it does, but it's here. I'm pretty sure if someone follows or something, that means that the health of that guy will go down. I think. I don't know. What is this? I don't know. Why do I have so many random things in my OBS? Why do I have 50 browser sources? Okay, it's fine. So, if this thing complete, create game, and this says go back. And now I'm gonna have to change the NUI, because of course I do. So instead of this being create, I'm gonna make a drop down. The funnier thing about that is I have never made a drop down, which is interesting. The first off, the button is gone. Second off, we reorder this. So the game name can have a bit more space. New players max. And then this can also have a bit more space. Then I'm also gonna reorder this to be like this, I think. Because naturally, you're reading from left to right. So when you're reading, you first look at the person's profile picture, then at the lobby and see how many people are inside it, and then you have the option to join. Hold on, let me put something. Let me. What is this? Okay, so back. Restream pick default. Twitch stream has less latency than YouTube stream. So, yeah. I'm sure people will know now what the fuck is going on in my stream and won't get confused by all the things going on in my stream. What the fuck is browser for? I don't think I need a browser for I don't know what browser for does. What is browser, bro? I have so many random elements in my OBS that I have no idea what anything does. Okay, what is objectively the best font color I could use for this? You know what? We're going with bright. Never mind. Green. That even works. What about this? Kinda. Um. You know, one thing I am wondering though, does the gambling of YouTube work on Twitch? Can I test option? Test B. Option B. Confirm. Does that also pop up in... Okay, that pop-ups in both chats. As I did mod Streamlabs, right? Yes. Okay, now we have betting in both chats. We have gambling! Isn't this exciting? We have gambling. Close. Oh god. Yeah, close enough. I did moderate. I did add mod role to Streamlabs, right? Yes. Hmm. And wait, now that I made my studio bigger, now you can see that. Okay. Okay, so first thing I gotta do is remove that taskbar, I guess. Second thing, I guess I can remove this. I don't know what that really brings, but now you can look at Yupio's eyes more. Hold on, I gotta send a screenshot of this to Yupio and ask what he thinks. Ah, fuck, I can't make a screenshot of that. Hmm. Okay, yeah, anyway. I'm gonna create a drop down. This is gonna be interesting. Oh god. Why is it so big? We want approximately to have the same size as this one. Oh god. You know what? It's close enough. Now I'm gonna repurpose the scrolling frame for the drop down. Game name. I'm just gonna do this. I could have left a copy of this inside there. Honestly. Of course, now it doesn't have the correct X size. And probably also not the correct Y. Nope. Okay. I think it gotta have some distance from the thing. Yeah, and so I'm gonna make, when you click on this via an invisible button that has never been seen before, a technique that doesn't exist because you can't see it. It's gonna open this small menu, and I guess I gotta put invisible buttons inside these two so you can actually select them. Actually gotta make this a tiny bit smaller. Actually, I don't. You just make, so if it's open, then yeah, that doesn't really matter, I think. I guess yeah, okay. Yeah, I guess we'll do it like this, and I'm gonna just add like buttons down here. Now for this, I guess I'll use another frame. That's just conveniently gonna be aligned like this. And there we go. Now, first off, text button. We want a button for customizing the modifier. So I'm gonna make that like an extra option that you can have. So let's see, what's a good button for what's a good button color for modifiers? I guess this kind of teal. And then the green stroke, the same color, but a bit more. Customize rules and modifiers. There. And this will just bring you to the G screen. Then actually, then if that just brings you to the G screen, first off I gotta confirm cancel. So the reason I'm doing that is because I'm gonna make so the button to actually create the lobby is just gonna be in here. Create game. And if you don't customize the rules and modifiers, then it will just use default values, I guess. I think this is peak UI. Probably. I don't know. You know what I could do? Hold on. I guess. Yep. Oh my. Can I change how loud this is? Please. I'm just gonna go on their YouTube, I guess. Playlists. Sure. Good enough. And so the button holder will just, I guess, sit under where this is. The index, right? Wait, if I have that as the index too, what happens if I do this? Okay, that's fine. Let's use this local z index. For one time, Roblox actually did what I wanted it to. Which is great. I could probably. UI aspect ratio constraints. Then if I what? Am I blind, or where did Studio put the thing to look at the studio but in different formats? Interesting. Okay, that's even worse. What if we just don't have the profile picture? Issue solved. Just saying. I think. I have also updated my stream title. Ignore that. What is our current thumbnail? I already forgot. Apparently it's spammed then, okay. Apparently the current thumbnail is spammed then. Yeah, I'm sure that's fine. You know, if Twitch doesn't really have a description, right? But I can add tags. Hold on. Null fire. MS Paint. ABYSSALL. I mean, later I'll do Lego City Undercover, I guess. I mean, I'm not lying. Yeah, so I think it should be fine. Sure, that's fine. So this means I need to make this invisible, make another content called modifiers content, and then we basically have the exact same thing. So yeah, I'm sure that's fine. I need to have a default tab. I guess default tab is gonna be rules. I'm sure this is fine. Why is it not the same size as that? It's close enough. Actually, if I just get the size of this. I don't even know why this is a different size. Good enough. Modifier content. Is it the same here? Yes. Why is it like that? Okay, I keep making the wrong thing invisible. No, I think this is fine. Probably. And then I just... Oh, right. Rules. Modifiers. I know my naming convention is really good, by the way. I just wanted to clarify that. My naming convention is perfect. You can't say anything against it. So currently, the game is basically just you spawn in. You can. I forgot to make the UI ignore the fucking GUI inset. So basically this is what we have currently. You can play against AI, and if you move, it moves. And it can also win. It can detect if you are trying to win. But it's not really the smartest AI. It doesn't really calculate that much, but yeah. That's interesting. Ah. What am I playing against AI? Yeah! Okay. So I would say, by default, I guess we're just gonna have the NUI exist. There's gonna be a bunch of lobbies here. So scrolling frame it should be fine. Probably this notification UI needs to display above anything else I ever make. While we're at it, I guess I should remake the notifications. I should possibly remake the notifications, I guess. Currently they just this, and I think I should maybe change it at least a tiny bit. Can have a UI corner. Okay, what about this? Be right back. I forgot the boss browser thing was still there. Let me disable this. Make this bigger. Maybe. Bottom corner is kinda nothing. So I guess we're enabling the tic-tac-toe I added at some point. I guess if anyone wants to play tic-tac-toe, they can. Spamton G Spamton, that's my fucking name. I am secret boss in Deltarune game. This is chapter 2, before chapter 3, after chapter 1, I can't count past 3. Okay, so that it's now UI corner is possibly better. Also, yes, this entire time that had a UI shadow, but you can barely notice it. You can just barely notice it. I specifically made so you can barely notice it. Any better color we could use for the notify? Maybe bright red. We just use kind of this. Compared to this, it's not that much different. So basically how the notify works is that normally this is at -1. Then we have a frame here which just holds the notify. I know it's genius. And this UI is just, yeah. What other random bullshit can I add to the stream?
Me leva pra longe, longe sem pensar. Teu toque me prende.
Yeah, I'm moving the tic-tac-toe to this corner.
No ritmo do vento, começo a
I
levitar.
have an idea.
Não sei se é destino, mas quero continuar. Tuas ondas batem no meu peito sem parar. Quando chega perto não sei nem respirar. Tua sombra dança
Hold on.
no corpo devagar.
I have an idea.
Chama, vem comigo se soltar. Teu calor me muda, me deixa em febre. Quando eu vejo a luz em você tudo desce. O som me empurra, o tempo não mede. Só vem comigo antes
Sure.
que isso aconteça.
Ooh. Could add this for funny to the stream. I don't really have multiple sprites of my avatar. How do I even change the sprite? Probably this. Yes. Oh god. What? Where is this? What is this path? Where is this path? What? Can you... No. I don't know where this path is, bro. What? Where is this path, bro? What? Was to move right? Ah. So if I just put it in there. Oh my god. How do I How do I change the size? Mm. Ah. Aha. Okay. Press U. Aha. Interesting. What? How do I change the size? How do I make it damn? X frequency, Y frequency. Aha. Okay, now I have this. What the hell do I do with this? Sure. Aha, yeah, this makes sense, I think. I don't know what I do with this.
Your voice is a wave on a distant shore.
What does that do? Oh. Oh my god. What? Uh-huh. Okay. Yay. We have like a tiny bounce. Yay. 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 Test. Test. And does that do nothing? Okay, I've spent way too much time making this bullshit. Test. Interesting. Yes. Yay. Yeah, this is fine. Can I add that to my stream? Screen capture. Yeah, screen capture PNG tuber plus. Sure. We are on some random ass hijinks again, which is great, honestly. And then there's just sometimes gonna be my profile picture that's bouncing around, you know. And this is what every stream should have. Just a bouncing profile picture. I think it's pretty fun. Alright, so if I tab into it while it's okay. So basically I can hide it. Okay. Is this better? Okay. Is this better? I don't know. Test. Why does anything I change break it? It's just doing. Oh, it's in slow motion. Oh, that's interesting.
Shadows follow me everywhere I go. Danger's near, I can feel it.
I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Yeah. This is great. Yeah, I think this is a great stream. Interesting. We have in restream is. My restream is hallucinating. What I'm sending Andrew my stream. Yep. I think I have a great stream. This is not too much random bullshit happening at the same time, right? What? Why is there a random part here? Oh, of course, because it handles this light, yeah. Now Understand. Now we should probably go back to making the UI good. Or we finally go to Lego City Undercover. I think we take option 2 because I'm gonna play Lego City. Oh my god, what is happening? What is that window in the back? I can see a random window in the background. Is it this? Ah. There is so much random bullshit happening on my stream. Where is my OBS? Since yesterday my controller has been charged this time. If it would only connect to my fucking PC. That, okay. What? Forget. Add device. No, I don't wanna pair my fucking TV to my PC. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. Okay, let's try again. I am going to go into pairing mode. Now I'm gonna try to connect to the controller. But okay. Of course that worked. That makes I accidentally opened my settings. That's great. Hello, Mr. Roberto Sores 1992. That's a great username, I think. Why do not? What? My plus button is not working. Of course, now it works. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Now that I'm doing the actual game, I should probably change my game that I'm playing on Twitch and YouTube. Change it from Roblox to Lego City Undercover. Done. No. I don't know what that is, so we are not checking that out. Honestly, that sounded like a virus.
What did you find out?
I don't know what it is, so yeah.
Rex was there. He grabbed Stinky before I could find him and then
Hold on, let me.
Whoa! So what are you gonna do?
get some training at the local dojo to make sure that he can't do that again.
Okay, and I'm gonna give Frank
Hold on,
another
I'm gonna
call.
open
I bet he's
this.
lost his phone.
It's a hell of a fucking funny phone wax. I'm gonna. Oh my god. What? I'm gonna open this in a private window. Sure. Yeah, okay. Sure. Oh my god. That is great. Where are we going? Okay. Apparently my PC is not strong enough to handle emulation, that's crazy. Ain't virus you can test, I'm just trolling people. Sure. What? Okay. Interesting side. What? What? Oh, interesting. I've never noticed that he doesn't have his miners ahead on until now.
Oops, sorry.
Oops. I'm a great driver, by the way. I don't even have a second monitor every time. Oh my god. Is this gonna be a Rickroll? No, is this gonna be... I'm not playing that. If the end window page is nothing illegal, trust me. Trust me, bro, is the worst thing you can hear from someone. And do I have enough? I think I need 25,000, but I'm not sure. Oh, okay, I guess. How do I get up here? I would like my camera to rotate a tiny bit faster. I have great FPS. So every time I'm looking at chat, I need to... Every time I look at chat, I need to go in my browser, because I don't have a second monitor. Damn, my PC is struggling trying to emulate this game. This is crazy. Oh. Oh, there's a lot of super bricks around here. That's crazy. You're flooding your computer. Also, when you alt tab, it lags. Somehow, it seems to lag the least when I'm alt tabbed into my chat. I'm emulating it because I own the physical like console version, but I don't have the PC version, and I don't want to buy it because I don't have that much money. Like most times, the emulation runs great, you know, so it's fine. I think probably. From OBS. The thing is, it's more like the game struggling to do anything. Let's see. Interesting. Game is only using 4.7. All my swap is being used. It's surprisingly my GPU and CPU are pretty. Let's try moving the camera a bit. Okay, that hits my CPU more than anything. You know, I guess. But I'm already at the fastest CPU mode. Can't really change that much. It's literally because you have too many effects and tabs. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna show you my OBS real quick. So this is my OBS. I know, really funny, because now we have input. Okay, so we have browser 5, we have browser 3, we have browser 2, we have a random other screen capture, we have be right back. This isn't even a chat thing. We have browser, we have other browser, but in a different name. We have screen capture and a random PNG. Yeah, I don't have enough money in the current market of RAM to get to get more RAM. So in the current market, I can't really get more RAM. Other than OBS, let's see how much stuff I have open. So Firefox. So I Firefox open with like 5 different tabs. Maybe I should close some tabs. I've like tabs I haven't used in like 6 months open. That's the emulator. Lutris is the thing that's running the emulator. Like Lutris is not the emulator itself, but it's running it, and the emulator is using 4.7. I can't really get more. I also have Discord open, I have Steam open, I have VS Code open for some reason. What? 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 Huh? I closed VS Code, by the way. What? Why was VS Code using so much? It's still a bit laggy, I guess. It's definitely a bit better though, I think. It's still mostly hitting my CPU. I have Nerimity.app image. I have PNG tuber for the funny PNG on screen. That's rotating and shit. I have Unisec, which is a screenshot tool. I have easy effects, which does my audio stuff. Well, I have Firefox open. Firefox is the only way I can look at chat. So because I can't go on my phone because I don't want to look at my fucking phone to read chat. I should probably get a second monitor. So yeah. No, I meant a tab in Firefox that I just had open for months. Surprisingly, OBS is using the least amount of RAM, and it's actively streaming something. I'm also in a call in Discord at the same time. I mean, my swap went down a lot. Swap is like RAM on disk. And the way I got that down is by closing VS Code. Apparently VS Code is very unoptimized. I don't even know what else. The limits that you set. No, it's just supposed to run at 30 FPS. But you can just have it run at like more. But it's not really supposed to be running at more, I think. The game natively runs at 30 FPS, so I just kinda let it be that by default. It's a Ryujinx. It's a Switch imp. The thing about key sites is that they're scummy, and most times they're game reviewer keys. That's the thing. Most times they fucking get game reviewer keys on there. Also, I have no idea how I transfer my save from the emulator to the PC version now. Unless it still uses the same save format, which it probably does. It's Lego City Undercover. But I could probably beat all the levels again pretty quickly if I just had the PC version. Then there wouldn't be as much lag and it would be easier to beat. Ooh. What? What the fuck was that kind of sound? Penguin. How does it cost $2 here? What? That seems legit. I swear. The thing is, most times on these key sites, they're just selling the fucking game reviewer keys. Why am I up here? And I don't really wanna do that. I bought a $2 game you activated on Steam but was on instant. You know what? Sure. Continue as guest. I need to put in my email to continue as guest. Why do I need to type in my email? What? Those keys are cheap because they buy them in huge. Sure, I accept. Hey. Oh, no. Oh. Sorry, the PayPal window scared me. I needed to first hide it from my stream. Fuck, it wants my fucking 2FA code. Hold on, I need to go on my phone. Okay, let me buy the Lego game. I have bought the Lego game. Where the fuck did the tab even go? I don't know. Is it just gonna go to my email? You have received your new order. We have received your new order. I read the email completely wrong. That's great. I'm so good at reading emails. So how long does it take for them to deliver the stream? Fuck. Let me hide this stream. The Steam window is indeed hidden, I think. Is it? Yes. Claim here. Okay. Okay, I have apparently gotten a key. I did hide my Steam window, right? Yes. Okay. Ah! I guess. Fucking. Sure. Is it downloading shaders? It's downloading shaders. Look at this guy. So you gotta fix the side of your Windows tab. It's cutting that hard. What? What do I fix on my Windows tab? High singularity. I'm eating pizza. Damn. I'm gonna take like 50 minutes to download this game. Let's go. No, I left the call on purpose, so Discord would use less RAM or something. What do we do for 50 minutes? I can play Subnautica too. Yeah, I sent you a friend request. I can't send you a message because you need to accept the friend request. I can play Subnautica. You guys wanna watch 50 minutes of Subnautica? Is Subnautica peak? I have both Subnautica and Subnautica 2. I can also play Undertale. I have DDLC. Asphalt Legends. Content warning. Buckshot Roulette. Oh my god, this is gonna take another 40 minutes to download. Oh my god. Also, you still have not even accepted my friend request. Oh, you have. Okay. Wave. See that? That's what I mean. I see. I did that on purpose, but it's kinda useless now. Here. Hold on, let me Still like 38 minutes. Haste? Mario Odyssey? On an emulator also? VR chats? Paper Mario? Geometry Dash? Animal Crossing? Demon Tides? Makes your PC really slow. Well, one of the icons is that's great. Right. Why does it say screen sharing and why is there two screencasts? Why do I have two screen shares? What? Okay, it's gone now. No, I'm on Linux. What's this? This is Unisec. This is my I can make screenshots and I can add an arrow and I can add another arrow and I can add another arrow and then I can add an ellipse. And I can press X. I don't know how you hide a 60-kilogram horse. How did it go back? Never mind. My internet speed sucks so much, oh my god. Mario Galaxy? I'm not bad at using my RAM, I'm just using it. Game modded. Yeah, that's great. I sure know what that means. I'm on Ethernet. I'm on Ethernet. Satisfactory. I can show you my bullshit factory. I don't know. It's definitely more for downloads than upload or something, I think. No, I think no. The issue is, I'm pretty sure whatever they gave us was measured in megabits per second. I don't think the channel matters if I'm using Ethernet. That means I'm not using the Wi-Fi. I'm just using Ethernet. Sure. 55. It's 6 megabytes, not 5.
Me leva pra longe, longe sem pensar.
It's like, cause I hope you do. There's an actual for good looking. I'm multi-streaming. What am I supposed to be using? I can't use Streamlabs multi-chat bullshit because that's paid for some reason.
Não sei se é destino.
And Botrix, I don't know what that is. I've never heard of this.
Tuas ondas batem no meu peito sem parar.
Um,
Chega perto, não sei nem respirar. Tua sombra dança no meu corpo devagar. A noite chama, vem comigo se soltar. Teu calor me muda, me deixa em febre. Quando vejo a luz em você, tudo desce. O som me empurra, o tempo não mede. Só vem comigo antes que isso aconteça.
here you can bet. Yeah, that's what you can do meanwhile. I'm using Arch Linux. What? What do you mean? Congratulations! You've received 100 messages today with Restream chat. Why can I tweet that? Okay, I guess I will tweet that. Okay, go. Um, you you gain points or something, I think. I don't know how you get points. You get points by being active, and then you can do exclamation mark bet. No, Streamlabs has custom points. You can do exclamation mark bet, then Y or N, and then a number between 1 and 10,000. And using exclamation mark points, you can check how many Streamlabs points you have. Yup. Yes. It's not betting. I don't think it says anything when you bet. I don't think it says anything. I think you just gotta bet. Yeah, it doesn't say anything, but it does register. You can only bet once, so yeah. No, you can only bet once. You can't change it anymore. No, you can only bet once on like a specific bet. Like if I do a new bet, if I make a new bet, then you can bet again, you know. But there's only one bet currently. So I feel like it's cutting off the messages a tiny bit for some reason. I'm sure that's fine. Do a new one. I can create multiple bets at the same time. Never mind, I cannot. That's why you use Botrix. I don't know what Botrix is. Botrix. Sure. Ah, let's gamble. So this is uh-huh. I will look into it later. Bro didn't even thank me for the $2 key link. Did I not? I don't even remember. I have dementia, buddy. I think. Or I just forgot instantly, I guess. I am like you. No, I don't really have dementia. It's a joke, but I just instantly forget stuff sometimes. In specific cases, I probably have like ADHD or something, but it's fine. Oh yeah, by the way, apparently Streamlabs reminds you to bet, which is great. Yep, you can only bet once. It's still the same bet. I didn't make a new bet because I still don't know how to transplant my files. No, it just reminds you to bet on the currently active one. Yeah, it does reminders. Also, I don't even know how to enable channel points on Twitch. I don't know how that works. I don't know. What's an MMO again? MMO RPG like World of War. I haven't really played any MMOs, I think. Never played Swires. I know, right? There's a lot of. I played Stumble Guys for like 18 minutes apparently. But I've never played an MMO. Show us your I already showed you my library. I don't have any wild games, I think. I have the DLC. Did I? Oh my fucking god. No, Steam, I want you to continue downloading while I'm trying to play it. Apparently DLC. I have the DLC. Alright. I didn't even remember. Stopping my downloads. Oh fuck. Fuck. Go to the downloads. Allow downloads. Three gigabytes. Sure. No. Read the chat. I do read the chat. Is that a puzzle game for Gunnars? I don't know, it's the DLC. Does it now say it in megabytes? Oh, I have 8 megabyte download speed. Yo! FML. What the fuck does FML mean? Bro, I swear to God. What is this lang that I don't understand? This is like the 5th time I've opened Looters, by the way. Which is crazy. We can play Little Big Planet. You know what, sure. Code. Did you know that betting is open for will I figure out how to transplant my save files? Did you know? Your Wi-Fi cable will melt. Little Big Planet doesn't use Wi-Fi. What the fuck are you talking about?
One.
You know, this runs surprisingly good, you know.
Play is the place to be when you want to fight off boredom with a soft, woolly sack person's touch. There's loads to do. Some say maybe too much. There's pop-it puzzles that test your brain as well as your dexterous hands. And of course, there is our grandest ever adventure.
You know, it runs good most times. Didn't I already do this? This is where I'm supposed to be going.
Would you like me to smear you in jam and eat you in a sandwich? No.
Also, I'm pretty sure it for some reason doesn't like my motion data. I'm sure it's fine. We're gonna need like another 20 minutes.
Oh, then find the marbles.
Fuck.
If you walk past me again with no marbles, I will beat you.
Why is my thingy in a creepypasta? Why is he doing that? Is it not liking my motion data? Does it not like my Switch Pro controller? Okay, I guess I'm going this way instead.
Come, the marble will not wait. This is no place for the Queen of Bunkum. Gooey, sticky, disgusting.
No, I don't
How dare
have
the marble
money,
be
buddy.
here?
I don't remember the key you're supposed to press. I haven't played this game in way too long. Fuck. Okay. Apparently it is not that key. What key are you supposed to press to hold on things? I don't remember. I don't know. I guess I will figure it out. I have figured it out.